Okay.
You look beautiful.
All right. So I'm here with my guy, Arturo. Say what's up.
What's up, my friend?
All right. And today we are headed back to the project. I got a backup camera. I'm driving Arturo's truck, and it is a, what you got, Arturo?
GMC 2500.
I don't even know why I'm turning around. You got a camera up here.
Yeah, I don't know if you need
no
to
reason.
follow the camera.
There's no reason for me to turn around. All right, here we go. That's not going to be enough room. So we're headed back over to the rehab over on Paris Mountain today. And we are going there to knock out a bunch of punch list items that we got from our best friend, the inspector. And let's...
No, I don't even know.
So, our best friend, the inspector, told us we need to do this stuff. You want to tell them, Arturo? Tell them what we got to do.
Oh, man, I don't even know. Can you guys speak Spanish?
Yeah, tell them in Spanish.
Well, I got missing nails, some hangers, fire blocking, seal hole in the floor.
Seal in the hole. Not sure why there's a hole there, but it's okay.
Yeah. Fire vent pipes, fire seal vent pipes.
Yep.
Support.
Fix this.
Couple things.
Couple things
To do.
All right. So
easy stuff.
No problem for my guy Arturo.
Well,
Arturo,
I
tell
got
him.
easy stuff. I don't know if you easy driving. You okay?
Yeah, I can see driving. So let's see, Arturo. Tell him your company name, Arturo. How do you pronounce your company's name?
Okay. The company name is Arturo Carpentry and Design. Sorry.
And tell him what areas you work in.
As soon as it's wood, we can do anything.
No, like what areas?
What areas? Greenville downtown. I do. I'm gonna say Travel Race. All the way to Lawrence, Bowling Springs. We can do, depends the job. If it's good enough.
You can travel.
We can travel.
Get some travel time in. So let's see. So, all right. So check it out. So me and Arturo, we've been doing a lot of work together. I'm super excited. We have a pretty good partnership here, except for when he doesn't want to talk to me.
Yeah. I don't answer the phone, nothing.
But we have a philosophy, and the reason why we get along so well and do good business together is because we believe in doing it right the first time. And that's one thing that me and this gentleman has in common. That's why I like working with him. So on this project, you're going to see we're fixing a couple gaps, some different things, and what we've learned, or what I've learned, especially in this business, when you deal with different inspectors, because right now we're dealing with the county. When you deal with different inspectors, you can go by the book and go by code, but sometimes inspectors want different things. Sometimes the circle's not too big or big enough, and this inspector might want this circle a different size. So we're learning that, and we're dealing with that, and that's why when I got to this point where I needed some expert help, I just bought an Arturo because it's easier to just get it done right and just know that it'll be finished. So go ahead, you got some tell.
One thing is like, anyone can do a remodel, but the thing is easy, but it's not that easy. You know, you gotta do it good from the beginning. You gotta make sure all supports, everything. You gotta do it right. You know, don't wait or try to cover something you think is gonna be okay, and then the inspector is gonna call you there, and then you're gonna finish spending more money, try to fix it, then. Yeah, I get confused.
That makes sense.
It's easy.
So, let's see. Arturo, tell them where they can find more of your work. I know you got an Instagram page. You show off some stuff.
Yeah, right here, look. I want to make it easy. I want to put it right here. Let me focus.
You got it?
Yeah, right.
I'm about to turn. Take the shortcut. Arturo, did you know this was a shortcut?
No, I don't even know this is a shortcut. I always wonder what it is.
Because I usually cut like right up here.
We're on Paris Mountain, right?
We're on Paris Mountain. I wish I could show you guys this view here, but it's okay. I'll show you later. We're cutting through a quick neighborhood. All right, guys, so I have a video I owe you. I'll post in the next couple of days, I promise. But I wanted to get this one up because I think it's important, as I promised everybody that I'm going to show more of the kind of how-tos and different things like that. Anytime you're dealing with real estate investing, I'm the type of guy, sorry about this bump. I like to go, got big tires, we should be all right. I like to go behind the scenes and make sure everybody gets a real good understanding of the concept of real estate investing. Sometimes you gotta get your hands dirty. I wear gloves though. Arturo doesn't wear gloves.
No, you make sure you don't wear gloves.
Yeah.
If you got a wife, she gotta make sure it's a man touching. So,
It's a man touching.
So yeah.
Well, I wear gloves to protect my hands. And let's see. So it's important though, like I said, to give you guys a behind the scenes look, because when I talk about real estate investing, I get a lot of messages and comments, and everybody wants to talk about this glory world of, oh, you good to put some money in and take out better money and blah, blah, blah. But you got to realize that there is a behind the scenes portion. Sometimes you got to get your hands dirty. Sometimes, you know, deadlines are beating you like a concrete stick. Not only deadlines, inspectors can beat you like a concrete stick. You can go through different situations with vendors, good vendors, bad vendors. And then, of course, I like to stress how important it is to network, find good partnerships to carry you throughout, to make sure that you're building a sustainable business. So I do have some news, because we are going to be doing 2 new builds here pretty soon. So I'm super excited to kind of share that journey with you all as well. But I'm going to cut this video real short, and I'll be back on next Monday. So thanks. You want to say bye, Arturo?
Thank you. Remember, it's a process. It's not easy. It's a process. So we got to do it.
That's right.
See you later. See you on the next video.
See you on the next video.
Follow me on Instagram.
Yes. Follow Arturo. See some of his work. This guy is amazing with his hands, so check him out. All right. All right, so we're back. Arturo is fixing some hangers, nailing in some stuff on his ladder. Good job, Arturo. Safety first. I'm here knocking out some Boca plates. That's how you get the nail in. There we go. I'm doing Boca plate. Is it Boca? Yeah, Boca plate. It's that thing up there protecting the nail. Scott's cutting wood. Let's go see Scott real quick. It's just me, nobody important. He's cutting down some wood for the back porch. I'm sorry, underneath. All right.